Hi everyone, Troy from Interlock here. Welcome to our North Bondi project. So this project is a knockdown rebuild of a single dwelling. It was all completed under a complying development SEP code. Our involvement is the architectural and the interior design components. So the project's currently being sheeted and painted. We expect completion to be in the coming months. So working under the complying development code, we had to consider the big gum tree here on our left. We also achieved an underground basement car parking as well as a two-storey structure above. It's got a slab on ground, Krause custom face bricks and a lightweight construction all the way over just to enable a quick construction. We're hoping to wrap this project up in the coming months once the project gets finished, painted and joinery goes in. Looking forward to showing you the end result.